Hello friends, I am Mohit Sharma. Welcome to channel Electronics Monk. In this channel we are going to learn about Arduino, Raspberry Pi, Proteus and many other things in electronics. Firstly, we are going to learn about Arduino and its simulation in Proteus 8. Many a times it is difficult to buy all the sensors and all the things which are required for our Arduino. So here we are going to use Proteus. We just have to write Proteus 8 in our browser. Click on the first link of the Lab Center because this software is being developed by Lab Center. Go to their website and click on Proteus in Education. By clicking this, you will get a new window and click on Try Proteus. You just have to click it. An exe file will be downloaded in your system. Just have to press 3 or 4 times next button and it will be installed. The installation process is very easy. We are not going into the details of the installation. Here I have installed Proteus 8.3, so we are going to do simulation on that. I just want to tell you that we are doing simulation because, as I've just told you, that it is extremely difficult. Sometimes it is difficult to get all the sensors. Now what we are doing, we are using Arduino in Proteus 8. Just remember one thing, we are not using any other libraries in the Arduino for Arduino in Proteus 8. So this is what the window of the Proteus 8.3. Here we'll click in new project. After clicking it, a new window will be popped on. Here we just have to name our project. Here I am naming our project as Arduino Basic 1, and now click on from development board. Here we have to select our controller or our board. There are different kinds of boards out there. Here we will select Arduino 328. And then after clicking it, we just have to finish our project. Nothing else is needed to be done. We are not going to install any other libraries. Now here you can see we have got the controller, the basic Arduino Apprenda 328 controller is being used in Arduino Uno, and the controller is out there. Apart from that one, we have an LED on pin number 13. So basically what we are going to do here is, let me just magnify it and let me just show you that it is Apprenda 328. All the input output pins are available, like digital pins and analog pins. You can use those pins. Apart from that one, LED pin, as I have just told you, is connected on pin number 13, and the reset button is also there. So what we are going to do, okay, apart from that one, just remember one thing, we have to download Arduino IDE because we need a compiler. There is no compiler in Proteus, so we have to download Arduino IDE. We are just writing that one in our browser. The first link is for the Arduino IDE itself by arduino.cc. We are just clicking on it. Here you can see on their website we can download it. There are different options for the Linux, for Mac. What we are doing, we are downloading Windows zip file. You can also download Windows installer directly. I have downloaded the Windows zip file. I am currently using a bit of older version 1.6.11. let me just show you. It is there. I have extracted that one in one of my drive named as important files. So in important files I have a Arduino extracted folder named as Arduino 1.6.11. see, there is the Arduino IDE. We just have to put part of the Arduino IDE in our system settings. So firstly we'll just have to go to the source code. We just have to click on that button, and then we'll just have to click on system we have to click on compiler configurations. When we click on compiler configurations, we just have to click on compiler configurations. A new window will be popped up in front of us. There are different compiler settings. You can see here, we just have to scroll it down. We have to look for Arduino AVR. Remember guys, you can download it directly from net. What we are doing, we are not downloading it directly, we are putting a manual link of the Arduino IDE that we have downloaded. As I've told you, I have downloaded it and extracted it in my important stuffs drive. So I am putting the link. I have selected the folder, and now you can see that it is telling us that the compiler is being installed. So it is being done for Arduino AVR. This is what the link is. Apart from that one, remember, you don't have to change any of the settings. You don't have to change any of the settings. Just press OK. And now what we are going to do, we are going to blink LED which is there on pin number 30. As I've just told you, it is a very basic program. So we are starting from scratch, from the basic. Remember, there are two things in this program. First one is the void setup, another one is the void loop. The void setup, we have to define our pins, that which pin is doing what. Either the pin is an input or it is an output. Here we are using pin 13, so we will write pin mode and then in brackets we will write 13 comma output. Remember, in pin mode, M have to be written in capital letters. It is a case sensitive thing, so you have to remember about it. Okay, and then you just have to put inverted commas. Apart from that one, you can also define, if you want something to define as an input, you can define that one as an input and setup. Now in the loop, what we are going to do, we are put our instructions that how this pin have to be behaved. Okay, we are writing, we are giving something to that pin. LED is connected to the pin number 13. It is an output, so output have to be either on the higher side, on the plus 5 volt side, or on the lower side. So what we are going to do, we are writing something to that digital pin. So that's why we will write command as a digital write, and then in brackets in number 13 comma high. So what this command will do, this will enable pin number 13 as high pin, as 5 volt. Okay, I just want to tell you that we have defined pin number 13 as an output. Then we will put a delay of 1000 milliseconds. 1000 milliseconds is nothing but 1 second. So we will put a delay command there and then put our semicolons to terminate that command, and then again we will digitally write that pin as low. Digital write pin number 13 as low. Quite simple, isn't it? Then we will write again the delay of nothing but 1000 milliseconds. This is what we have to do. This is what a very basic program of Arduino Uno to blink a LED on Arduino Uno for the basic simulation in Proteus 8. Now we just have to go in the build option and click on the build project. After clicking that, we can see in the VSM Studio output that there are some different commands or different things are going on. So what it is doing, it is just compiling our program. Program is being compiled successfully. You can see it is written out there. Now on the bottom of the left hand side, there is a button of a play. We just have to press that button. It will run our simulation, and now guys, you can go to the schematic and see that our LED is blinking. It's quite a simple. If you like our video, please do subscribe us And thanks for watching this video. I hope you like it. Thank you very much.